Hi everyone, welcome to Verified Soul. I hope you are doing fine. I'm back again with another video that I want to discuss on a very important topic, an itching topic to many. And this topic regards the term current. What does it mean when your case goes current? And as at this point that I'm talking, in the DV 2022 lottery, many regions are now current. And more so, you may have received an email telling you that your case is current and ready for interview processing. What does this mean? That's what I want to discuss in this video, and therefore stick to the end and you'll understand this concept. But first of all, welcome to Verified Soul. This is the place where you get verified information on immigration. So if you're new, you are on the right place. Consider subscribing and liking the video. What this means is that KCC has assigned you a number in the queue of cases sent to your embassy that are already ready to be scheduled for an interview. And this queue that is sent to your embassy by KCC is based on the case number order. And therefore, this means that for you to be scheduled for an interview, it depends on how many people or how many cases are ahead of you. If KCC has sent in a particular month 400 cases, depending on the case number that you have, you might be in position 200 of those cases that have been sent to your embassy. So for your case to go current and being ready for interview processing does not mean that you are guaranteed to be interviewed. This is unfortunate, but it does not mean that you'll be called for an interview. Being scheduled for an interview will depend upon the capacity of your embassy, the capability of your embassy to process the load that has been sent by the KCC. Let's take this example. Let's say your embassy has been loaded with 4,000 cases and all the cases are current and all the selectees have received the email that their cases are ready for interview processing. So your embassy has received 4,000 cases. And let's say your embassy has the capacity for only processing and interviewing 1,000 cases. It means that there will remain 3,000 cases that will never be processed. And if you fall in that category of the 3,000 that are not interviewed, then you will not receive your interview. You will not receive your visa. I know this is very unfortunate and very sad, but that's what happens. There are some people who will receive this email that your case is ready for interview processing, but will never receive the second notification letter scheduling their interview. And this depends, as I have said, upon the capability of that embassy to process all the cases presented to it by the KCC. Like for example, and it's very unfortunate that in the DV Lottery 2022, some countries in Africa or some embassies in Africa have really underperformed. They have not filled up all the visas that have been presented to them. Some embassies are closed down. Some embassies are processing very low cases per month. This simply means that there are several visas within the region of Africa that will remain unutilized because the embassies were not able to fill up these positions for these visas. And therefore, what happens to these unutilized visas? This is what happens. There is a cap in the law governing the DV lottery that allows the reallocation of unused or unutilized visas to other regions. This means that all the visas that may not have been used within the Africa region will have to be reallocated to other regions. Therefore, some visas that were meant for African selectees will end up being reallocated to other regions and used by other selectees from the rest of the regions. And this is very unfortunate. So guys, I'm really sorry for those who will not receive their visas because of these circumstances. We hope that many embassies in Africa will end up catching up with the visas for the DV Lottery 22. And with that, I come to the end of the video, and I hope it was resourceful. So please consider subscribing and liking the videos. I need your likes. Let's meet in the next video.